Cape Verde Islands. We're here in Mindelo. This island's supposed to be very beautiful. They did not see rain for 3 whole years, not a drop of rain. Would be neat to explore all that, though, wouldn't it? This is one of Cabo Verde's famous singers, and they absolutely adore her, right? And she's everywhere. She died just recently. Come over here. That's her image, done with a hammer and chisel into the plaster.
Wow.
Isn't it amazing?
She's also on the note.
Yeah, she's on the currency too, yeah. Get a better view. Isn't that amazing? Just all chipped away.
Boy's been suffering from separation issues, and we're trying to teach him to walk with Rick and not have to worry about me. We'll do it again. Come on. Go with that. Taking the dog for a walk, are we, Rick?
Taking the dog for a carry, Leah.
Why is that?
Because there are so many street dogs here. Where's Brittany and Ryan when you need them? Just come and save all these street dogs.
Actually, they look pretty good, to be honest, don't they?
They do look pretty good. They look like they're well looked after, puppies. I saw a lot of drinking water out for them.
No food, but drinking water.
Yeah. Hey, D2, is this your new car? Reminded me of you.
When the kids have grown up and gone.
Yep.
My hot mama.
Definitely a Heidi car.
Okay, well, you know we had trouble with the Genoa, the new one, getting it up. We've waited and waited for some riggers to come, and now they've now gone and screwed it up on us and jammed it again. Into less windy and film the idiots from there. I just cannot believe this. They're not listening. They are just not listening, that they have to bring it down. They have to go up. It's just a circus. Flogging our brand new sail. Rick will make some sense into them. We keep telling them it's jammed and they need to go up to unjam it, and they just try and brute force to yank it down. It's such a shame. We've waited a few days for this so-called riggers to come. And they do speak English and they're a great firm and other things, but this is just, I don't know whether they, I don't know what's going on with them. And Captain's just looking, I told them all along.
Every step of the way.
Every step
of the way. I said, question does it make sense?
Yep, every time we, yeah, and like their English is fine. They just thought they knew better.
Okay, and the line is coming here.
Yes.
And the reason why it attached there, because my colleagues told me that your furler, your sail is going
Very short.
yeah,
Yes.
somewhere over there. So you have this line there. And
Yeah, the wrong angle.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So in order to prevent that, we just put a small ring here, so the line comes here and there.
Yes.
Then it doesn't. That's normally how they're supposed to be.
Yeah.
So I just have to find this ring.
Oh.
So as soon as I got this ring, then we can put that on. But this one I can cut with a hacksaw.
Hacksaw.
Yeah, and I can cut there without putting the furler down.
Good.
Putting the furler down is kind of a mess, especially because it's hydraulic.
Yeah,
So-
it is a mess.
What?
Well, the big days are rapidly approaching. Excuse me, boy. Come on, boy. Come on. Go. Hello. I forgot my mask. I've got to go back. Oh, there's Mike. And here comes Kirsten, who we're just about to go and say goodbye to. Kirsten and Paul,
Yeah,
what are you about to do?
we just tied up to the fuel dock and in about half an hour we'll leave for our lead depressing to French Guyana.
Wow. How are you feeling about that?
I'm feeling really good about it now. I go sort of, sometimes I get a little bit more nervous than other times. But it's going to be a really good passage. We've done all the prep already.
Weather forecast is brilliant.
The weather's incredible.
We're gonna fly.
Yeah.
There's your crew members.
Felice. And Sophie.
Bonjour. And this is Ikigai. Fair winds, guys.
Thank you.
We'll see you on the other side.
Absolutely. See you, yeah.
Very funny.
So, Mike, what are you about to
That would be
do?
funny.
Well, we're setting off for Barbados.
Barbados?
Yes, we've been
Okay.
waiting now for 7 months for this moment.
7 months.
Yeah.
And there's the lovely Stroma. She is a gorgeous boat, very well prepared.
Bye, now.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Have a great crossing.
Have a great crossing.
Goodbye, Cape Verde. Mindelo is such a great town. We're going again. 14 days before you have another leg stretch, okay? 14 to 16 or maybe a little bit more, but cross our fingers. Cross our fingers, it's 14. Testing, testing. We've just left and you're going to see us.
Here, I'll just see if we're in focus.
Okay. We've just left Mindelo, Cape Verde, and we were going to go to Granada.
With the Viking Explorers Rally.
Yep. And so that's where we should be heading to, but we've decided we're going to not go anymore with the rally. Explain why, Rick.
Well, it's a long decision, really. One of the things, it's COVID times, and our crew, unfortunately, Andy and Tanya from the UK, got missed by just a day or two in joining us before Britain got shut down with this latest COVID. That meant that it's just Lou and I, and of course Useless here. We are. He's actually feeling a little bit off colour. I gave him some potato chips just an hour ago and he didn't eat them, so he's feeling off colour, poor boy.
Well, I think he is. I just think he gets...
Sick of my chips.
Yeah, sick of your... Yeah, he hasn't eaten today at all.
Right. Anyway, so the trip across to from Cape Verde to the Grenada can take like 21 days. And friends of ours off Ikigai, they were discussing going to French Guyana, and it turns out that it's 5 days.
Yeah, shorter. Yeah.
5 days shorter for us to go there. So we've changed our destination, said our goodbyes to the rally organisers, and we're heading to French Guyana now. And we researched French Guyana, and it really appeals.
I know.
It
We
looks.
can have water snakes crawling up the boat,
We're going
monkeys swinging from the trees onto the boom.
Yeah, we're going to go up the
Not the
rivers
Amazon,
of Suriname into the Amazon jungle. So we'll be cruising inland. So we're pretty excited about changing our destination from.
This is going to be neat.
The other thing that appealed to us too
Might
is
meet
because
Tarzan. Whoa!
one of the things that appealed to us about going to French Guyana is
You
that
might meet
most
Jane.
I might. Most people.
You would run. My God.
But first, things first. Baby steps.
We've got to cross the
this
Atlantic.
big ocean. Big ocean.
And
Big
then-
task for us.
Yeah, we're going across an ocean to head up a creek.
Let's hope we're not up the creek on the ocean. All right. And I'm going to bid you good night, and we'll continue our daily logs on our Atlantic crossing.